Welcome to the best picks. The best Teacher Playset is probably one of the most engaging toys for kids, fostering creativity and social skills. This playset allows children to step into the shoes of a teacher, creating a fun and educational environment. In this video, we'll dive deep into this playset, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a fantastic choice for your little ones. Get ready to discover a world of learning and imaginative play. Number 5. Melissa and Doug School Time Classroom Playset. This amazing playset lets kids become either the teacher or the student. It features a drop-down teacher desk and a student desk, creating a realistic classroom environment for them to enjoy. Inside, you'll find 150 reusable stickers, 12 pattern blocks, a bell, a timer, and even a lesson plan guide. There's also a storybook and more, providing endless opportunities for fun and learning. The set includes 2 reusable double-sided boards and 2 dry erase markers. This allows kids to draw, write, and create, encouraging their creativity and imagination. All the pieces store neatly inside the box, making it easy to take the fun with you. This makes it perfect for playdates, travel, or simply keeping things organized. This play set is a great gift for children aged 4 to 8. It provides hands-on, screen-free play, promoting creativity and social skills. Plus, it's made with FSC-certified materials, supporting responsible forestry. What we like? This playset creates a real classroom environment with its drop-down desks and included accessories. It also comes with over 150 reusable stickers. If you are looking for a playset that encourages hands-on, screen-free play and supports responsible forestry, you should consider this one. What people say. Jam-packed with all the items any teacher would need and want, plus many more fun and unexpected treasures. The quality is high, durable, and she spends many hours playing at home and also on the go with this wonderful set. Boards are easy to erase and everything packs up nicely in the box. Number 4. Dr. STEM Toys Roleplay Set. This amazing set from Dr. STEM Toys is perfect for kids who love to play teacher. It includes everything they need for realistic classroom role play, making learning fun and engaging. It's a great gift for any child. Inside this colorful box, you'll find over 30 pieces to get started. It's all packaged beautifully, making it ideal for gifting. This set provides hours of imaginative play. The set includes a desk blotter, map, bell, flag, pointer, and attendance list. It also comes with grade cards and a write and whiteboard. This kit has it all. Kids can create their own classroom environment with this set. They can pretend to be a teacher or a student. It is perfect for home or classroom use. Whether at home or in the classroom, this set is a hit. It encourages creativity and helps children learn through play. They will love it. What we like? This set includes over 30 pieces, providing a realistic classroom experience. It's designed for both home and classroom use. If you have a child who loves to roleplay and wants a complete set to start their teaching adventure, it's a great choice. What people say. Great quality and so realistic for little ones who love to play school. Highly recommend. My grandkids set up their own school with these materials. They used their stuffed animals as students and had a blast. I would highly recommend this playschool set. A good value. Realistic materials. Everything kids need. Comes with cute items for a classroom and adds to their imagination. Number 3. Janod Real Teacher Game School Readiness Kit. This amazing kit is designed for kids aged 3 and up. It's a fun way for them to learn and play at home. They can become the teacher. The set includes 4 student figures and desks that double as lunch trays. It's like having a real classroom right in your home. This allows them to have a realistic school experience. The kit comes with over 250 accessories. These include menu items, a blackboard, and a world map. It has everything needed for a complete school experience. This roleplay kit lets children take charge. It helps them build confidence and develop their speaking skills. They can play alone or with friends. This game encourages open-ended play and problem solving. It's a great gift and helps kids get ready for school. The product meets safety standards and has won an award. This game is perfect for beginners. It's easy to set up and start playing right away. It's a fun and educational experience for everyone. What we like. This kit has over 250 accessories, offering a rich and immersive play experience. It encourages imaginative play and is made with safe, non-toxic materials. If you like a playset that promotes open-ended play and school readiness, this is the one for you. What people say. Un très bon jeu pour les enfants que violent jouer à enseigner. Avec leur plateau, don un sens pour faire la classe, don l'autre pour la cantine, les enfants ont de quoi faire semblant d'être à l'école pour une journée entière. Muy completo y lo motivo para los niños. Tres mil complementos con los que jugar. Number 2. Alritz Teacher Playset. This kit is packed with learning toys and accessories. It includes a whiteboard, markers, erasers, and more. It's everything needed for a fun classroom experience. It's perfect for pretending to be a teacher or a student. This set encourages imaginative play, social interaction, and problem solving. It helps kids get ready for school. The gift box is specially designed for gifting. It's great for learning spelling and letters. It's the perfect present for birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, or the start of school. Kids can learn through games, and teachers can give out award certificates. This helps motivate them to learn and build confidence. The materials are specially designed for children and tested for safety. Parents can feel confident about letting their kids play with it. Adults and children can play together to strengthen their bond. Kids can also play with dolls. It provides entertaining fun for hours. Learn and love learning through play. It enhances hands-on skills, communication, math, and logical thinking. It allows them to role-play as a teacher, doctor, or professor. What we like. This set provides a realistic classroom experience with a variety of learning tools and rewards. It also enhances parent-child relationships. If you are looking for a set that combines learning with fun and encourages interaction, it's a perfect choice. What people say. The teacher bag helps with organization skills while she is also practicing letters, numbers, time, money, math, and geography. The teacher bag is cute and holds all the items, great for storing and keeping everything together. This set is adorable, with a tote and all the accessories your little one needs to play teacher. Number 1. Gifts 2. You pretend play school sets for kids. This play set provides an immersive experience, just like a real teacher. It includes various props to let them enjoy the fun of being a teacher. It's a great way for them to explore and learn. The set comes with a teacher's bag, whiteboard, markers, posters, and more. This allows them to practice spelling and math while playing. The set has everything they need to start their own classroom. The dry erase whiteboard features a smooth, magnetic writing surface. It's easy to wipe clean, and kids can take turns being teachers. It's a fun way to practice and learn. The set includes 4 educational posters covering different themes. The bright colors and pictures help kids learn and stimulate their thinking. They are also laminated for protection. This play set allows imaginations to run wild as kids create their own school. It covers basic concepts and helps promote early literacy skills. It's a great way to encourage creativity. This role-play game is perfect for kids aged 3 to 10. They can create their own mini classroom and play for hours. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This set includes a teacher bag and educational posters to create a complete classroom experience. It also promotes early literacy skills. If you have a child who loves to create their own mini classroom and wants to learn while playing, this is the one for you. What people say. The set includes a variety of school supplies, such as a whiteboard, markers, and a grade book. The design of the playset is very realistic, with a desk and a chair that look like they belong in a classroom. The playset is a great way for children to learn about the role of a teacher and to develop their social skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.